Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making these delicious coconut cookies without flour. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy cookie. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. So for our ingredients for making our coconut cook, we'll be needing our coconut, grated coconut, and this is the coconut I got from the making of the ice cream. So I'm going to add it to it, sugar, egg white, and condensed milk. But because of time, I've already grated my coconut, so it's left with only this one. I just want you to see how I grated it. So with the help of your grater, you can grate it. Go ahead and add our egg white to our bowl. Go ahead and add our sugar. White and sugar, it's ready, guys. We'll add our condensed milk, guys. And then add our coconut. Go ahead and mix everything together. Look at this. You really need to mix it well for the coconuts, and everything has to mix together with the condensed milk, guys. Our coconut cookies are ready, so I'll go ahead and scoop it. So guys, nothing has to be wasted in your kitchen. Anytime you grate your coconuts for your ice cream or your rice dish, just go ahead and use the coconut fibers for this kind of things. You can also check, I have a video on how I made an oat coconut biscuit on the channel. You can also check that one, because I also used the same when I was making my rice dish. The fibers I got, I use it. Our oven has been preheated, guys, so we'll go ahead and bake our cookies on 180 degrees for 25 minutes. It depends on your oven. It can be more, it can be less. Our coconut cookies ready, guys. Look at this. It looks so delicious. Look at this. It's ready, so I'll go ahead and put off oven. So guys, our cookies are ready, so I'm going to leave it for it to cool down, completely cooling down before we remove it from the tray, otherwise they will break. So we really have to wait for it to cool down, and then we'll come back later to serve. This alongside with your coffee, it's another level. Our coconut cook without flour is ready, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy cook. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Bye bye. Kiss kiss.